Meet review. Hello guys, welcome to the review of Prime Meet. In this video, I am going to review Prime Meet. I am going to show you every feature, pros and cons of Prime Meet. So stay till the end of this video. This is Rohit from techevoke.com and here we are on the dashboard of Prime Meet. Now, what is Prime Meet? Prime Meet is a cloud based meeting software, means you can host your meetings, you can do all that stuff like the mainly the Zoom. There are in the market there is Zoom and go to meetings which are able to do, but they comes with a high pricing and it comes with a one time fees. So as you can see, I'm on the dashboard of Prime Meet and here on the dashboard you can see all these things: upcoming meeting, hosted meetings, attendees, and all these things can be seen here on the main dashboard, right? And if I want to start a new meeting, what I can do, like I can go to instant meeting and start a meeting or join a meeting, or I just like for this review I'm just going to go to start, and here I can like place a code for a meeting, for example 1234, and it shows it's like tells you to select an type of meeting you want to, like audio conferencing, live class, podcast, video conferencing, or webinar. So as you can see, there are many options, means it is kind of giving you a personalized thing. For example, I've created and clicked on the audio conference and it is showing that code is wrong. Let me place this one and start a live class, right? Now as you can see my face, and here all the things is happens. Now when you do we just have created a new meeting. Let me turn off my camera, and right, and what I can do more, I can also go to white boards and do all these kind of things with pens, and they have included, like for example I'm doing a class or webinar or anything like that. I can go straight forward to this and I can draw, I can explain something. Also I can add more people to this particular thing, as you can see. So this is the thing. Also I can I can do lots of things, lots of things are there. So I'm just going to end this meeting and this call, right? And here we are, and yes, proceed. So as you can see, we have just gone live with this software, right? And I can also go to meetings, and here I can go and I can see all the scheduled meetings and all these things. I can go here, and also I can go to segmentation and I can segment different types of things. And on contacts, here I can add contacts. For example, if you are going to have meetings with some contact, and it will do all these things. Now here are to dos also. So everything is there, right? And also in the meeting part, just have a random code here, and for example I'm going to start a webinar, right? Because the webinar is the thing that really makes a difference on your online business, right? And I'm going to turn off my camera, and now as you can see, there are also many features on this. For example, you can have the chat sections, and you can do all these things also, like full screen share files. So as you can see, I think Zoom also don't have this feature of sharing. I also own and plan for Zoom, which I'm going to cancel, right? Because the software gives me everything that I need to go out and do meetings and do my classes on on directly on Prime Meet. So as you can see, there are also many more things to do here. For example, devices, what kind of camera I want to choose, the microphone, and all these things are there. Also the video a resolution is also there, the frames, what I want 30 fps, so everything is there. So Now let's come to the point of, like, it really comes worth of using. I think yes, because right now I'm using, and as you can see how fast the user interface is. Everything is very very fast, so there is no problem of like problems of audios, and your the clarity of this particular software means when I'm hosting an particular meeting on Zoom also lags sometime, but this software doesn't. I like I'm really shocked of these things, because zooms come like I pay around 30 to 35 dollars per month for like for subscription of Zoom, and there also services lags, but this particular software doesn't lag until now. It has been working so well. So now, as you can see the panel, and also like what software comes with, I have written an article which you will find the link on the description of this video, right? And as you can see, I have included some bonuses, some cool bonuses with you, as you can see here. So you can go on the link, and if you want to buy this particular software, you can buy it through any of these links, and you are going to get all these bonuses. So go on the link on the description below and check out my bonuses, my custom bonuses for you guys. Now as you can see, let's talk about the OTOs of this particular software. So if you buy the front end, you are going to get the only 250 attendees. So if you want to have unlimited attendees, you can move on to pro plan, which is the OTO one for 14 $7, means the total costing will be around $90. So on $90 you are going to get everything, so there is no problem, nothing. And as you can see, yeah, like you can go and see what type of OTOs, and it totally depends on you that how features you want. You can go and check out these things there. Now on my opinion, the PrimeMeet is a software if you want to host your webinars or your video conferences or video meetings on online, and if you have an online business, the software is really worth it, because I am paying 20 like 30 to 35 dollars for Zoom, and additional for webinar they cost, it costs total of $100 per month, and this particular software gives you everything under $100. So it is totally worth it. You can go to my link, and on my link, and you can go to my link and you can buy this software. The link is available on the description below. If you like this video, so you can go and click on this like button, right, and do subscribe to my channel. I review softwares, I talk about many things on internet marketing and all these things. So you can go and subscribe my channel, and you are going to get some cool videos for future. So thank you guys for this video. See